Hey guys, we're back again with Santa's Elf School, our 12 days of quilting magic, and today we're going to talk about zippers. One, I want to show you this cool new zipper jig. Actually, it's not new, it's a limited edition color by the Gypsy Quilter. There is a purple one as well, so if you're interested in that color. The original one is purple and this new color is teal. So I'm going to show you how to do that, but I wanted to talk to you about the By Annie product, Zippers by the Yard. This is a total of 4 yards of zipper tape, and you get 16 extra zipper pulls. So a lot of people are like, well, I don't want to use that because I have a hard time putting on the zipper pull. So that's when the jig comes in handy. So we've got our zipper tape, our zipper pulls. We also have extra zipper pulls. These are the chrome metallic or the silver metallic ones. But we have a new product by Annie, and she has updated her out to lunch bag, which is a bigger version, and you do need the double zip zippers. Then you have a zipper on the inside and some mesh pockets, and it's really nice to carry a lunch to school or work. And you can also, with that same package of zippers, make the all bottled up. So there's 3 different sizes with all bottled up. There are this one's a large, we have a medium and a small, and in all of them there is little spaces here for you to keep your essential oils or maybe your fingernail polish or medication, anything like that to keep on the inside, to keep all of those nice and neat for all of our organizational people out there, or people that like to be organized. I try, but All right, so those are the products that I wanted to show you, and we're going to come in close and show you how this works. All right, so now we have our jig, and you can see on the jig it has a number 3 zipper pull and a number 5. This zipper pull is for the number 5, which is By Annie's regular size zipper. She likes this zipper because it has an extra wide tape right here, so it's easy to work with quilted bags or larger bags. And you can see my zipper is not, like, my pull is not on there. So what you need to do is position where the little the tab is slipped on the back, and it goes between the front and the back of the jig. The jig goes in between the pull, so it kind of stays on there. If it doesn't get positioned on there by itself, you know you don't have it on there right. So now I have my zipper tabs. I've cut them evenly, and the zipper tape, the zipper teeth need to go away from you, and the flat side needs to be facing towards you. So these are, they're apart. Like, oops, I unzipped it all the way, right? I'm gonna put it back together. Ta-da! Okay, so the next thing I wanted to show you was this By Annie's double-sided basting tape. It's super skinny. It's like 1/8 of an inch wide, so that comes in really handy. And this is how you use it. You can just lay it down on the edge of your zipper, on the right side of your zipper, because you want to put right sides together. So I've just pushed it down on there like that. And then just give it a press with your hand, and then you're going to take the paper off. So it's kind of like a really sticky double-sided tape. And now I'm just going to line up the edges of my fabric, or this is just a little sample here. And what that does is that's holding it in place. So when I go to the sewing machine and I stitch that down, it's not going to pinch or move. A lot of times whenever I have a pin or even a clip, when I hold my zippers, as I stitch, they might get a little wavy, and I wouldn't get this nice straight line here to give that professional look as I stitch down my zipper. So then you would just open that up, and then you have a nice clean edge there. So the basting tape product is so sticky, it sticks, my hands are sticking to the outside of the roll. The product comes with 2 of these 3mm wide times 20 meter rolls. So that's approximately 21 yards of basting tape. So this would last you a long time. It works with paper, it works with cork, vinyl, the soft and stable mesh. It holds bulky items that can't be pinned. So there's multiple uses for this, more than just your zippers or your bags. So if you like this video and you want to learn more about things that Busy Lady Quilt Shop has to offer, go ahead and subscribe now and make sure you like and share our videos.